Get ready with me, Barbie Pink, rediscovering an old palette. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, tonight we're going to the premiere of the Barbie movie. It supposedly opens nationwide tomorrow, but I know at select theaters they're having special premieres along with parties and things tonight. So I'm all excited, wearing pink dress, pink pretty much head to toe, including this palette that I bought a couple of years ago and just rediscovered doing a palette inventory, the Malibu Barbie palette from Colourpop. Forgot just how much fun and how colorful and bright this is. So stay tuned. Starting off my makeup today with Catrice True Skin Foundation, Neutral Sand. I just replenished this at the Amazon Prime Day sale. So there we go. This has been one of my favorite low-cost drugstore foundations for a long time. And I was running low, so Amazon Prime Days was the perfect opportunity to get another bottle. I really feel like this foundation competes well with the high end. For my concealer, I'm going to use one of the newest ones I bought, the Anastasia of Beverly Hills concealer. And just do a couple little dots. Now I did my brows off camera, also using Anastasia Beverly Hills. I used the brow definer, one of the easiest, quickest ways to do your brows. And now on to this Malibu Barbie pressed powder palette from Colourpop. This was made actually a couple of years ago, I think when they were first talking about doing the Barbie movie. And I thought it'd be a great palette to rediscover today when we're actually going to the premiere. So I'm going to just start off by taking this Boardwalk and just put a little bit of that along the base of my eyelid. I do feel I want a little bolder liner than any of the colors that are in this, so I'm going to use this Makeup by Mario liner. One thing I like about this liner, it has this little brush where you can smooth things over. Now, got to go for some shimmers today. I'm going to start with this Follow the Sun and do that sort of going from the outer corner toward the center. And then let's do a little bit of shine on the inner corner. You know, this palette has a lot of cool blues in addition to the pinks. So I think maybe I'll take this little brush and just take a dot of Surf's Up and just right along the edge, going into the crease here. Just hit up the corner a little bit, right above my liner. So got a little hint of blue in there too. And now the final step is just to blend. And to blend, I'm going in with Vintage Doll. And it's just a nice little pastel pink shimmer. And it's a way to sort of just blend everything together and go for that overall Barbie pink shimmery eye. Okay, going off camera to do some mascara. I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are done using the Fenty Beauty mascara, my current favorite. Now, gotta get a little bit of bronze on to look like Malibu Barbie, don't you? So, this is my favorite little luminous bronze light from Hourglass, and it is a great job of just blending in and looking so natural. And do it along my cheeks and my jaw. And I want a little pink to the cheeks as well. So let's use this Hourglass Bio Radiant Gel Powder Highlight from Lady Gaga, House Labs. Just the right amount of pink, love. And I'm going to start off my lips by lining with this LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. And now I'm trying for the first time this Ink Velvet Nude, number 27, Strawberry Nude. And this is one of the other things that I got on Amazon Prime Days. It's supposed to be like a velvet lip tint. And it really does sort of taste like strawberries. Now for the final step, I'm taking a little bit of Givenchy Prisma Libra powder, and I'm just going to put a little dot on my sponge and sort of set. And that's pretty much it for today. Just a sort of natural Malibu Barbie look using the Colourpop Malibu Barbie palette. I'm so looking forward to this movie tonight. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, can you give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.